You and me are broke, or at least I am. But in case you're broke like me or want to get a lot for your money, these AMIIBO cards might be for you. Boom! I'm gonna show you if these AMIIBO cards actually work. I got 38 different AMIIBO cards to use on Tears of the Kingdom for around $12 on TEMU. If you were to buy AMIIBO cards, I would suggest buy some bigger ones, since I can hardly read anything on the back. But other than that, they feels pretty solid and looks great for only $12. So you're waiting long enough, let's see if they actually work. I will first be trying this one. Let's do it. It is not working. Maybe here. Ah shit. Alright, I gotta enable AMIIBO first. I see. Alright, let's try again. Bang. It is not working like that. No. Alright, it's been a long time since I used AMIIBOs. Let's try it again. Let's go! Now it's actually worked. And I got Hylian Hood Fabric. So that one actually worked though. And you can see it's actually legit. I can try another one. Like for example this one. So if I do that and then I try it. Bang! Easy. It feels a little like I'm cheating doing this, but it is in the game. Let's try one more. For example, let's try this one. Let's try this one, and bang, the chest appears. Ooh, we got a sea breeze shield. Let's switch it out. Bang, let's go. Let's try one more for good measures. Bang. So far, everyone has worked. And bang, we got the tunic. Let's go. Okay, I want to try this one because it says it has a paraglider on it. So if we try it, we get a chest apparently. And okay, I think we have to be lucky to get it. I'm wondering what this is. Oh, we can get a bunch of swords. Or still bird. Trash. I'm gonna try the Zelda one. Bang. Knight shield. So I will also be trying to use it on my 8-bit controller. I don't even know how you do it on this controller, but I will try. If you can, you place it there. There. Okay, I don't think it works. No, it does not work on that controller. So you can see that it works. For example, this one, I can just place it down, bang, and we get the chest. Oops, I actually got Epona just now. So if you are wondering on getting it, I think it's a really smart buy if you want to get some AMIIBOs, and not spend a lot of money. And you actually get 38 for $12, which is kinda insane. Goodbye and subscribe.